It could all be so simple, but you'd rather make it hard. Jury is my best, and we both the double star.
He don't know, but it's alright. Don't know, but it's alright. He don't know, but it's alright. Don't know, but it's alright.
Crochet wear, sis. Alright guys, so I want to thank divatress.com so much for providing this hair for this video. This hair is the Goddess Braid Deep Curl Locks. The hair is in the color 1B and it is 26 inches. And this is crochet, sis. Like, I know y'all saw that intro. Like, come on, sis. This crochet hair is everything. Like, it's just giving me life, and it's so good for the summertime. Great protective style. So each pack comes with 18 little individual crochets. Again, it is very long and the curls are so bomb at the bottom of the faux locks. And I'm just showing you guys the loop at the top of the faux lock. So I just want to clarify what I'm doing here. So as I pull the crochet hair through my plait that I made, I'm only pulling the crochet hair through and then through that loop, and I'm pulling it tight. I don't pull my hair through the loop as well, just the crochet hair. So I'm going to try to unravel that a little as I go and then wrap it around my real hair. As you guys saw how long like how far down I plaited mine. You definitely don't have to, you know, plait your hair down that far. Just plait it down far enough so your hair won't unravel. Save you some time, sis. For my non-platters, I also got you, sis. Like, I got you. So I'm showing you here an alternative for the non-platters. You can use a rubber band instead. So instead of plaiting, just put your hair section in a ponytail and then just do like a twist with your real hair to just get it out the way and make sure that it's protected under the lock. And then just do the same thing, sis. I'm sure, I promise you, it's gonna look the same. No one will be able to tell any different. So just pull the crochet hook through your hair, pull through the crochet hair. Again, only pulling through the crochet hair, not your real hair, before pulling it tight, and then start wrapping the crochet hair around your real hair. So for all you non-platters, you can definitely try this method if you like to try this style out. Give you guys some examples of what not to do. Okay, so when wrapping the crochet hair, do not twist your real hair in the lock as if it's like a 2-strand twist. It's not gonna work out, sis. Also, I can't speak for other hair, but I do know for this brand of hair, for me, you cannot twist the hair clockwise. If you do, it will unravel like this and you will have to retwist it. Rewrap it around your hair. So for this style and this brand of hair for me, I noticed that I needed to wrap the hair counterclockwise. Getting tongue tied. Yes, and I'm assuming that's just how the hair is made. That's the way that it's twisted. So yes, sis, to ensure that your locks do not unravel, make sure that you twist them counterclockwise. To accessorize my hair, I grabbed this copper wire from Walmart as well as this string. Guys, so this is pretty much the final look. I just love this hair so much, and again I want to thank divatress.com for sending me this beautiful hair. You guys can use code beauty5 and beauty15 to save you some coins, sis. Yes, all the information will be in the description box below. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll catch you in my next one.